So what? You know those Baldi mods? Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning? How YouTubers dedicating their itch.io. I downloaded a bunch of random downloads to figure out what's going on. Today, I'm going to play all of the ones I could find. Yay! The first Baldi fun game that ever came out, so old even Mistman helped developing it, was the first Baldi fun game that ever came out. Lol. Here is the story.
Oh, hi. Time.
66. Playtime? More like playtime? I'm pretty sure that readme file is going to be funnier than anything in the game. Hey, you got through it. You finished the video. For some reason you found it interesting to watch the entire process of a man transforming into a Baldi. But hey, clocking in just less than 18 hours long, we got through into our mods. Goodbye. Bye.